Do you always wait until the last minute? Even for things that matter? You tell yourself you'll start early this time. But you don't. And then suddenly, there's pressure. And now you can start. If that sounds familiar, this could be ADHD. Your brain doesn't respond well to distant deadlines. It needs urgency to activate. So without pressure, it feels almost impossible to begin. That's why you wait. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is waiting for stimulation. Try this: create artificial urgency. Set a short timer. Pretend it's due sooner. Or break the task into something you can do in 10 minutes. You don't need more discipline. You need urgency your brain can feel. If this helped you understand your brain, follow for more ADHD-friendly strategies. This is based on personal experience and general ADHD information, not medical advice.